Hey everyone. So back days I was exploring a case of a 6-year-old child who is having the generalized tonic-clonic seizures. And he was getting the persistent tonic-clonic seizures and he was admitted to the emergency just after the 5 minutes he gets his first seizure. Okay. And his vitals were that heart rate was 160 greater. BP was 90 by 50. SpO2 was 88%, but with non-rebreather mask, the SpO2 reached to 96%. That was great improvement. But now what about the seizures that were uncontrolled? So for that, first of all, the first line of treatment that was given, that was of benzodiazepines. And if the benzodiazepines doesn't control, then AED status of medications were given. Benzodiazepines like diazepam, phenobarbital, lorazepam, levetiracetam, and his seizures were controlled then. And then after that, when his seizures were controlled, now the second most important part is to control his vitals. Now what were his vital status? That the heart rate was increased, but now the heart rate was increased lesser than before. Now the value was 114 and the respiratory rate was 33. That's greater. BP became normal. Now it was the time for examinations. Lumbar puncture done, CSF examination done, no glucose detected. Electrolytes examination, the basic chemistry done, all ranges were normal. The calcium value 1.16, normal. Neuro exam done, normal. Pulmonary exam done, normal. And now the thing was about, and the seizures again began to attack him, again began to appear in him. So now the intubation was done. Intubation was done to control his seizures and to control his elevated respiratory rate. And then he get prepared for intubation. He get positioned, he get pre-oxygenated, the ET tube get prepared, he get suctioned and then intubated. That steps I will explain at any other time, at any other moment. So he was prepared, so he got intubated. Now, as per you, what could be the final diagnosis in this? Status epilepticus, right? The patient is having status epilepticus. And now, here's the time for my research. Now, after the stabilization, what's my research say in the status epilepticus case? And as per the Ayurvedic perspective, after stabilization, to control his occurrence of seizures, to control his features, I will move on to my Ayurvedic thesis, the combined adjunctive therapy of Swanprashan and Nasya. And which Nasya I will use, which oil I will use, that I can't tell, that's hidden in the research. But I'm just mentioning I'm mentioning the theme of my research, that now in this case, my research will work here. So let's move on to ahead and see what happens next.